Let's talk on understanding Form 8862 on H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about 8862 on H&R Block for the tax year 2024. Form 8862 is also known as the Information to Claim Earned Income Credit After Disallowance, is a form used by taxpayers who have previously been denied the Earned Income Tax Credit EITC and now are eligible to claim it again. This form is required to be filled with a tax return to re-establish eligibility for EITC after it has been disallowed in a previous year due to the errors or fraud. H&R Block, like other tax preparation services, assist taxpayers in completing and filling Form 8862 if they need to reclaim the EITC after it was denied in the prior year. They would guide taxpayers through the process of filling out the form accurately to ensure compliance with IRS regulations. Form 8862 is an essential document for individuals seeking to rectify their eligibility for the EITC and is an important step in the process of claiming the credit after it has been disallowed. Taxpayers who have faced denials in the past and are now eligible to claim the EITC again can rely on H&R Block and similar services to provide the necessary assistance in completing and submitting this crucial form. By getting along with the experienced professionals, individuals can ensure that they are following the correct procedures and meeting all the requirements set forth by the IRS. This was all about understanding Form 8862 on H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.